Good afternoon, Bay Area. My name is Mario. I'm here with Golden View Renovations. I'm here in Los Gatos with another bathroom remodel. If you follow me, we'll go inside. You'll speak to Alexandra, our designer, and our satisfied customer.
The renovation has just made me so much happier to use my bathroom, honestly. Before I really did not like it. Now I can actually use it and enjoy it. Mario made everything go so smoothly, I think mostly through his communication. Daily text updates on when the crew would be here, what they were working on. He would send me videos, let me know what they've done. And it really, anytime I texted him, he would respond immediately, give me the information or whatever it was. So he worked really hard. My experience working with Alexandra was really awesome. She really thought through everything from a functional perspective on what was going to actually function best for me.
We really wanted to give our client a feeling of a nice, spacious space that she's going to use a lot and be functional, be inspiring, nice, crispy, fresh look. We decided to go with a custom vanity with the cabinet center. It's a rifted oak with a cinnamon tone on the stain. It's very nice, warm and welcoming. The countertop, we also did custom fabrication and it looks just perfect for the space. On the right, I put a really nice linen cabinet. So the upper part has a shelves and the bottom part has a roll-out shelves. The shower, we really wanted to get a bigger one. I still kept the privacy with the pony wall. The shower glass is frameless. Our team matched exactly the hardware for the one big fixtures. So I decided to incorporate here an accent wall with this blue ceramic tile with a vertical pattern. So by that, I achieved this cohesive look. At the same time, keeping all the materials very high durability and user-friendly.
I would recommend Mario and Golden View Renovation to anyone that asks me.
Don't you like the way that bathroom turned out? If you need a bathroom remodel or any home remodel, please contact Golden View Renovations. My name is Mario. Hope you have a great day.